Hi, hello. My name is Amit Srivastav. I am CEO of a company called road2naukri.com. So road2naukri.com helps young graduates to get their first jobs. We are based out of Delhi NCR. Currently we are having more than 25-30 employers, especially in the business process management and the BPO call center sectors. And we have got jobs which pays around from 15,000 to 25,000, and we have got top BPO companies already on our board, and we are helping these companies to find job ready candidates. So we have got our own assessment process, and we are calling it International English Proficiency Test, which is especially designed by our experts based out of Delhi and London. And this particular test basically helps us in understanding your English speaking, listening, reading and writing skills. And it has got two parts, so part 1 and part 2. So this whole process actually helps us in filtering candidates very effectively and very quickly. And then it also helps us in identifying the clear skill gaps. So for example, if a person is really good in speaking and they have got certain mother tongue influence, or they have got certain special accent, so we try to improve that as well, so grooming a bit, and then we send them for the interviews. So our selection rate at the moment is quite high, and this whole process is working quite efficiently. Now we want to scale it to the next level, and we are looking for partners like you, so people who can come and partner with us, share their candidates with us. For example, you can go and to our system, and if you have got say 10 candidates, 20 candidates, you can feed them to our system. And if any of your people attends the interview, after going through our selection process, then we will reward you. So, and that reward at the moment is we are giving rupees 100 for every interview attended candidates, and we are planning and we are sharing revenue, whatever revenue we are getting from our employers on top of that. But irrespective of the person getting selected or rejected, you are getting that rupees 100 for sure, and we process it immediately. So for example, if your 10 people have attended the interview today and 20 people yesterday, so every Friday evening we can send you the 30 people, which is 3,000 rupees on Friday evening via Paytm. So it's a very smooth process, and the monthly payment is basically done for all the revenue which has been accumulated for your candidates, and the whole system works online in a very transparent manner. So as a partner, you will get our sophisticated recruitment automation system, which you can use it for your own work. You will also get an opportunity to send SMSs, send emails, track your application. I mean, you name it, we have got that kind of functionality in our system, and it is very, very simple to use. So I would request you to explore partner.road2naukri.com and understand how you can contribute and start earning right now. This particular offer is not for public, so we are only inviting select few HR consultancies like you who can come and partner with us and start contributing. And I'm always available if anything you need. I am a domain expert in this area, especially the assessments, competency framework, and talent management practices. And we have got a highly talented team who are we can call them world class in when it comes to the technology and automation, and we can call them world class when it comes to domain expertise. So we are here to help you in whatever manner we can, whether in terms of assessments or in terms of automating your processes. And people who are partnering with us, we are paying and sharing our revenue on top of that. So I would request you to please come on board, and if you have got any questions, you can ring me, you can email me. My email ID is amit@road2naukri.com. So I would love to see you on board. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you. Bye.